In this video, I'm going to show you how to get golden tickets on Monopoly Go. To get golden tickets in Monopoly Go, you can follow this step. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to complete daily tasks. Check the quick wins menu for simple tasks like rolling a dice, attacking an enemy, or landing on a specific tile. Second thing that you'll need to do is to participate in events. Events like the Golden Blitz offer opportunities to earn golden stickers. The third thing that you can do is to trade with friends. You can trade gold tickets with friends during certain events, and make sure to add friends from your contacts or social media platforms. And the last thing that you can do is to fill sticker albums. Collecting gold stickers help fill sticker albums, which can reward you with extra gameplay bonuses. As you can see in here, the rewards will vary depending on the specific album that you've completed. And that's how you can simply get golden tickets on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.